Hey, and she's going. Who shall know where she stays? Hey, who will let a girl like this go? Look at the back, look at the front. Hey, and she's disappeared, you know. Hey, my waist. I must find her. I must find this girl.
Oga welukenu waya ibedo nangada ye megive. Yeah. What up enene bejalo. Yeah, fugu kuwan. Even keneje medianga. What up enene bejalo. Nani female away. Makuku mwani unafugu kuwani.
We have fresh tomatoes. Yes. My mother just bought it today.
Oh, yeah, put this one for me.
This one.
Put this one.
See, this one fresh.
You don't forget this one. Put them. Thank you.
Customer.
This people's pepper is fresh.
You don't need pepper today.
I don't already buy.
You sure? You should say you have pepper for us. We get pepper. Now today my mother still buy.
I am now. Thank you. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
You don't have all days in law. And I want you to give me money for soup. Actually, miss your feta.
The accident happened so fast.
Sorry. I hope you collected money from him.
He pleaded and pleaded. I didn't know what to do.
You didn't know what to do, so you allowed him to just go like that. And Tapali ice cream. Yeah, money for ice cream, the one that I lost.
Oh, I told you he pleaded.
He pleaded, and so what? You allowed him to go like that, just like that. You didn't even collect money for your business. Why are you like this? I
told you I had an accident.
You had an accident in car? Get the messia. Why are you like this? Okay, you allowed him to go. How are we going to feed in this house? How do we feed?
God will help us.
Which God? Heaven help those who help themselves. Our business is fail. God will help us.
I told you I had an accident.
You had an accident. You had an accident.
Are you done with the massaging? Chai! What a beauty beacon. How can one person carry all the things I saw on her? Obuniru, Obunazu, Onkazu Nekomo. Hey! Where was she when I wanted to get married though? Instead of marrying this woman who won't kill me. I must locate her. Wherever she is. I don't think I can go a day without seeing her. Hey! Moloma. Sweet pain. They pay me, but it is sweet. Hey! I'll go find her.
See what you they ask me, whether the king they ask after you. Eh? What kept you so long at the market now? The king has been lamenting, saying they're hungry.
Okay, let me just go and change and prepare something for him.
Wait, for how long are you going to stop this thing? Eh? You know it's not fair. You know the consequences when the king will catch you one day for this thing where you they do. They do for me. When the time comes, I go there here and they watch you. See stress where person pikin they give herself. You know say you be ordinary cook for this palace, still you dey dress half naked. Now who you want impress, me or the king? Just pray make king no see you one day. No wahala na. One day, monkey go market, he no go come back. For this palace, they remove my cap. No wahala.
Amara. Why is my food yet to be ready at this time?
Your Highness, just come back from the market now. And there are many people in the market, so I could not buy everything on time, and I'm just...
Listen to me. I will not entertain such flimsy excuses. Okay?
Yes, Your Highness. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, ma. It won't happen again.
Amara,
Yes,
you may go now.
okay, go and finish up what you're doing in the kitchen.
Why did you ask her to leave while I am not done?
So that you will stop staring at her waist.
What?
Yes!
What is the meaning of this? Must you insult me to prove a point?
What point? If not that you are useless, it is senseless.
I agree. I am useless and hopeless. I accept all that. But I need food to eat. I am starving.
Ibo, you want to reap where you did not sow. Affordile, or you will take go a sienni. Anoman.
Keep on insulting me in this house. God is watching.
Which God? Which God?
Hey, Papa. Now one for you. See how you finished all this food, even licked the plates. As if you're still a small child.
Did you hear her?
Now wow.
Did you hear your daughter? Eh? Eh? She thought I have eaten while you gave me nothing.
Affordile, Ibo, you don't even know when your own daughter is mocking you. Affordile, Iwetego is seeing me.
keep on insulting me. Baribam! Baribam Nona! What type of life is this? Huh? What kind of a woman did I get married to? I wish she was that beauty that I saw today when I had the accident. I wish she was the one I was married to. Even if she doesn't give me food, even if she doesn't give me water, I'll be satisfied with her looks, especially her back. But look at me. Every day I'm receiving insult. I'm getting no food in this house, in my own house.
Hold on.
Why now?
Why are you not shouting at me a while ago?
Okay, I am sorry. Okay?
I don't like the way you used to embarrass me in front of the queen. And you come inside this room and be asking me for something, and yet you act like nothing happened.
It's okay. And again, I said I am sorry. And I'll continue saying it if that will soften your heart, okay? Come on.
What do you want?
Why are you asking me? Stop asking me. You know what I want. Please give me before I go to bed.
Why are you asking me for this when you know that I can't do it? We can't do it, and you're not even fit to even do it.
Who said so? Who said that I, King Metu, is not even fit to sleep with 10 women at a stretch? Who said so? Come on.
Even Kennedy, Mediana.
Sweet pain.
What is it? What is it? Can't I ever have a sound sleep in this house again?
Papa, I want to wee-wee.
So I should open my mouth so you wee-wee inside. Are you mad?
Oh, Chidera Nanya, can't I have a sound sleep in this house?
Is it not the same question I'm asking this idiot?
Don't curse her, Biko. Biko.
Mama, thank you. You will live long.
Amen.
I just woke up and I can't beg Papa that I want to urinate. He started shouting at me.
Why would you wake me up when I'm having a sound sleep? Have you lost your mind?
Wasn't not your money? Sorry. Wasn't not your sleep that even woke me up?
Did you say money?
Ogoo, warn your daughter. Warn your daughter. Let this nonsense not repeat itself again. Because I'll kill her with my bare hands.
You will not kill my daughter for me. Don't you dare. I try one here. Take her out. That's how we will. So that I will go and sleep.
Mama, you said sleep. Some people weren't sleeping.
I don't blame you. I blame your mother who allowed you for us to be sleeping in the same room, the same bed. As if I'm married to 2 wives.
She's still a kid though. Yeah, not a woman.
Who are you calling a kid? Who are you calling a girl? This Akabobosi.
Yeah.
Keep on calling her a girl. But let her come and disturb my sleep next time and see what I will do to her.
Ọfọdụle ị na-enye nsogbu. Ọfọdụle ịbụ akpa nsogbu. Let them go.
I was taking out something from her eyes.
It's a lie! You almost killed me here!
You won't say the truth now.
Which truth? You were strangling me before she came out.
Before the login is it? Do you want to kill this daughter of ours? What is the problem now?
This only child of ours is as good as we don't have one. Otherwise, tell me, of what use is she in this house?
If you don't want her, Apolomia, let her be my own. But don't dare touch her again. Let's go inside. No?
But I'm not done brushing.
Want him to kill you? Let's go inside.
No problem. Just one day, all this will be over. And I'll kill her with my bare hands.
Good morning, my king.
Good morning. This is my food ready. I'm starving already.
My king, when are you going to stop seeing that girl in her room?
Who are you talking about?
The girl that you have not been convinced about, or even summoned courage to tell me about your affair with her.
Well, I'm still lost here.
Has Amarachi taken your senses?
Oh, please, woman, stop. Just stop. As you can see, this is early morning. Stop, please.
I know this is exactly what you're going to say. Yes. And it's going to be a very shameful thing if you are truly sleeping with that girl, old enough to be your daughter. Yes. I don't have anything to say. Let me just leave it there.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please don't be offended. I am looking for one girl like that. She has boobs and she has big waist. She always come here to buy food stuff. Did you see anyone like that?
You are looking for a girl that has big boobs and big waist.
I mean, she's my daughter. I mean, my sister. Did you see anyone like that?
Leave this place. Stupid man. I got in our girlfriend. You are looking for your sister or your prostitute girlfriend. Look at him. See, wait. If you know beside I get air gas for my family, you for no like waiting I for tell you now. Me look all day. Useless woman. I shall walk it.
I don't blame you.
Mama, go see. You must have been seen.
Chai! But how do I see this girl when I don't even know where she lives? Hi! I would have followed her that day to find out where she stays. Ofodile, you don't have sense. Your wife was right.
Oga weluke no waya, ibe do nangada ye megive. Yeah.
Ofodile, do you mean you left your house to search for an unknown woman?
Not unknown. I actually know her. I mean to say, I am getting to know her.
Ofodile, who did this to you?
Martins, it's not about who did anything to me. You need to see this woman I am talking about. She made me not to sleep last night because I was thinking about her all through.
And you know you have wife and daughter.
Don't waiting. Do you call that one a human being? I have a daughter, not a daughter. And as for my wife, I have told her that I will marry another wife. That will be her biggest surprise when I do that.
You know you are writing a letter to Mr. Trouble. And I hope you know.
Mr. Martins, just relax. Wait till I am done describing this girl to you. In fact, I am going to draw her for you to understand what I'm saying. You can imagine what made me to leave my house very early today to check her at the spot where I met her before. Unfortunately, I didn't see her. But I am willing to come back tomorrow morning and wait. Maybe luck will be on my side. I must see her.
This girl must be special.
Special indeed. Relax. By the time I'm done describing her to you, you'll understand what I'm saying. Meanwhile, let me have another bread.
Which another bread? You've not even paid for the one you are eating. And you're asking for another one.
Martins, you are now sounding like my wife. Do you want to ruin our friendship?
What friendship? I'm just doing what I'm doing because of God. So, remain quiet and do the drawing.
Okay, bring it now, let me draw it.
Let me see what you mean.
Wait till you see this girl.
Mama, my mind is telling me that Papa is seeing another woman.
What do you mean by that?
He's seen another woman.
Seen another woman? As in?
Like, on a couple with women.
Shut up your mouth. Who is teaching you such slangs?
Wait, Mama. Will you forget about this thing now? Like, sweep it under the carpet as usual. Or you will believe me?
Shut up. What's your problem? Have you seen your father with another woman before?
No, I'm suspecting does not mean that I've seen. I'm just suspecting.
Shut up. And eat. I'm not having this conversation with you.
Okay.
And eat fast too, before your father will come back and meet us eating. Everything about you is small. Even the pipe carrying food inside your body is small. Eat fast.
I'm good. How far?
Fine.
What happened last night?
Did anything happen last night?
They give me that. You know what I'm talking about now? I was even hearing the queen when she was shouting. She woke up come out this morning with anger. So that means as a guy man why I be, I can't notice say you don't cause kata as usual.
What are you talking about? What kata did I cause?
Leave that thing. I know you have something with the king. So stop pretending. Don't even tell me. Don't tell me say I dey lie.
Ambrose, you're very stupid. You're a very foolish man. Yes. Instead of you to find something useful to do with your life, no you won't. You're just parading yourself around like a woman, gossiping and doing nothing. Don't go inside and find something there. Rubbish.
Leave that in. I know say you have something with the king. Stop pretending. I mean you want to deceive.
Angela, you have to calm down. Oh, things will be fine, okay? Be cool.
Evelyn, that girl has succeeded in taking my husband away from me. The king hardly sleep with me at night. Yes. You know what? I believe that girl is using her bomb and booze to seduce my husband, just to take his attention out of me.
Did the king tell you he wants to marry the girl, or you think he wants to marry the girl?
Anyway, he hasn't said that yet.
Then things haven't escalated that much. Look, don't you have bonbons? Don't you have booms? Oh? Don't worry. As for that girl, we will know what to do about her. Relax. Really. I am promising you, we will definitely know what to do about her. Okay? Ogoo. It's okay. Pardon my manners. What will you drink?
Oh no, as of a truth, refreshing daily.
Thank you, Igwe.
Thank you. Oh no.
Igwe.
What do you think you're doing?
Igwe, nothing. Igwe. This thing you have in your palace, she's hotter than fire.
I'm not quite hotter than fire on a garden. I can kill for her. Take your eyes off her.
Igwe. You said you can kill for her?
I can kill for her.
Igwe, I thought you know I'm a widower.
So, because Nebu is a widow, you are a widow. Stay away from her. Don't even talk about her.
Which means, Igwe, you have intentions of marrying her.
I wish I can. But you, of course, you know that the kings don't marry commoners often.
But Igwe, if you find happiness in her, I don't see why you should be delaying in making her your wife.
No, you not understand. My wife will not be happy with it. Honestly.
But as a king, you are entitled to marry as many wives as you want. So forget about how your wife feels.
No. Yes, I know. I'm entitled to marry as many wives as I can. But I have conscience. I think the best thing to do is to keep her as my mistress. And I think I can make her my permanent mistress.
Meaning you won't give her a chance of getting a prospective suitor or a widower like me.
Oh no, oh no.
Igwe.
Oh no,
Igwe.
I will kill you with my gun. Forget about our closeness and I say no of this kingdom. I am ready to kill because of this. So avoid my gun.
Igwe, no
if
problem.
not because you are the owner of this kingdom, I would have said you are an idiot.
No problem. No problem.
So let's go straight to what you.
But Igwe, don't be angry. Like, how many times have you visited her?
You see why I say you are an idiot. So all this attitude you have in those days, you are still having it. Come on, go straight to what brought you to the palace, man. Meanwhile, I present Gola.
Thank you.
My mind is telling me that Papa is seeing another woman.
Could it be my daughter is right? Affordile. But he doesn't strike me like someone that will be cheating. What if I don't know much about my husband? Well, even if I know nothing about him, at least I know he's poor. And too poor for that matter. So, who is that woman that will settle for a poor man like him? Because let me not bother myself. Because I can't kill myself.
Ogam, I'll be leaving soon. Just I'm leaving now.
But our agreement was for you to stay till 4 o'clock in the evening. So why then are you leaving now?
She go down pass by now. No vex, because.
Who is?
Okay, you're not gonna understand.
I don't understand.
You're not gonna understand. I will be back tomorrow, same time. But if I see her today, you will never see me here again.
See her? How? Hi! How? Hi! Just imagine, as big as you are, as old man like you, just imagine what you can do here. Now, woman you find come here, after you go for small change, we no get meaning. If you reach us now, you go tell your wife say nothing come out, say you no see work, do work for everywhere. Now, wow.
What up, Anene yeah. Even Keneje, Medianga. What up, Anene Bejalo? Then if you mellow away, Makukumani.
My queen. My queen. My queen, what is going on? What are you searching for? Just tell me, maybe I can help you find it.
Where is it?
Where is what?
The charm, of course. Oh, you think I wouldn't find out? I wouldn't find out that you are using charms on my husband. Oh no, you better tell that to a moron, not me. Okay, Nane?
My queen. Charm? My queen, I'm not diabolical.
Oh, will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut up your mouth? Oh, you want to tell me that my husband just woke up one morning and started having feelings for you? Oh, you better tell that to a moron, not me.
My queen, I don't know what is it that is the problem. But I don't use charm. I don't even know what it looks like. So I don't know why you're accusing me of something I know nothing about.
And who are you deceiving with those your crocodile tears? Me? No, it can't be me. See, let me tell you something. I will get to the root of this. I don't think I did wrong bringing you into this palace. Yes.
What are you doing here? Please just go away. I don't want to be in trouble with anyone. Please just go.
What is going on there?
If you don't leave,
I promise to leave this palace. Please just go.
It's okay. It's alright. I just came to check up on you. You now calm down, right?
Please just go.
I will. We'll be back. What did you do to that girl that made her shed tears?
And which girl are you talking about?
Are we living with any other girl in this palace except Amara?
Oh, Amara. Did you just hear yourself? Did you hear yourself? Now let me ask you. Since when do you start caring for the commoners?
Woman, that girl is our cook. She prepares the food we eat, so we ought to show her love and care.
Oh, my dear husband. Don't be afraid of that. If you are scared that she will poison our food, you better take that out of your mind. Because it's not going to happen. Yeah.
Woman, you've not answered my question. The question remains, why is she crying? Did you do or say anything to her?
And how did you know that she was crying?
Because I am just coming out from her room.
Oh, you not check up on her in her room, right? Oh, that's nice of you, my loving and caring husband. So can I ask you this question? When exactly are you going to stop cheating on me? When?
You know what you're talking about. Because I don't know.
Oh, please.
Well, I will find out. I will find out what makes her cry. But make sure it's not about you.
Oga weluke n'nwayo ife dị n'ukwu ya emeghị ife nyoyoyo nene ife imele onwe maka ukwu nwanyị nene ife imele onwe nwata bụ enenebe jalo yeah ukwu nwanyị ife nke na-eje mede ya nga nwata bụ enenebe jalo nene ife imele onwe maka ukwu nwanyị unafugu ukwu nwanyị. One thing must kill a man. I don't see wetin I love. Na there I go die. If I no get am, I no go rest. Yeah. Oga weluke n'nwayo ife dị na ngada ya egbukwa egwu. Oga weluke n'nwayo ife dị n'ukwu ya emeghị ife. I'm confused right now. Somebody tell me what to do. Whoa, okwa ife chukwu nyelu ngetinye m na nsogbu. Yeah. I'm confused right now. Somebody
And where do you think you're going? Answer me!
My queen, you have been like a mother to me. You have taken care of me since I lost my parents. You have done more than a mother should. I cannot possibly do anything to come between you and your husband, the king. So I decided to leave the palace so that peace can reign.
Oh, really? You go nowhere. Yes.
My queen, I understand. I know you feel you owe my mother because of the promise you made to her. But not to worry. I'm old enough now. And I can take care of myself if I go out there. I will survive.
I repeat again. You are not going anywhere. Period.
I thought she's supposed to be happy that I'm leaving. What is going through her head? What does she really want from me?
Where are you coming from by this time of the night?
Of course, I'll go hustling.
You go hustling. And how much did you make today? Come here.
No money yet. I just started the hustle.
Hey! Affordile. Melon wegebele. Affordile. No shame. In fact, of what use are you to me in this house? Can't leave all of Nona.
Insulting time. You don't start again. Keep on insulting my God, thinking that you're insulting me. Go ahead. Other men will arrive home and their wife will welcome them with big smile. Sometimes big plate of food. But your own, you're not part of something like that. Every time, trouble, trouble, trouble.
Hi. Affordile. How can I welcome you with what you never provided before leaving the house? How? Affordile. Look at you pushed me. See, today you will see fire. Eh? Again, have you prayed? Pray. So. Pray no.
I've prayed.
Yeah, woman. Does it mean there's nothing for me to eat tonight? I've not had any food since morning.
He said he has not had anything to eat since morning. Hey, yeah. Try. Let us cry for him.
Papa, don't worry. I will remain thicker. I will remain something for you.
Okay. You want to kill her for me? Even on this dog and send her to early grave.
Then let her go there. If that is what she wants. In short, that is where she belongs. I can endure your insult, but not hers. Yeah. Is she mad?
Ha! Don't kill her for me or leave her alone for me. Because if I leave us alone, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be sleeping. You don't have to wait for food that can never come because you did not provide. Yes, the food will never come. So bad will need never.
Poverty is a sin way, a sin way.
Sure, you know, saying that because of me, she dey sing this song.
Ha! Let's go.
Poverty is a sin way.
Affordile.
Hey. Am I dreaming?
It's not a dream, my husband. It's not a dream, oh.
This is definitely a dream.
Nah. You go inside and eat.
No vex, so. You know the kind dream where hungry man they dream. Especially when he goes to sleep at night with empty stomach. He'll see himself eating and drinking and whining. I'm tired of eating in my dreams.
That means you have to hustle and feed your family.
I am trying my best, my wife. I know I've not been coming forth with supporting the family, but I'm trying my best.
It's okay. Let's go inside so that you eat your food.
Where can I be without you, my wife? You always know how to make me happy.
So I know how to make you happy, but
yes.
You have refused to make me happy, yeah? Or the mama?
Says who? Tell me whatever it is that makes you happy and see me do it immediately.
Are you serious?
I swear.
You know, it has been 2 months since you touched me last. You are hurting me, or for delay. You are hurting me and you pretend as if you don't know. What the one? It's not fair.
Yes, I know. I know it's true. We have not been doing it. But it's not like I'm running away from my responsibility. It's just that
Stop all this. Stop all this. Let's go inside and do it tonight.
Tonight, what? You mean as in tonight? Now?
For delay, don't look for my trouble. Not after eating my food that you refuse to do what I told you. But so let's go inside and so that I eat your food.
Okay. Let's go. She said the food is inside.
You are not going anywhere. You are not come inside. Come back inside.
Yeah, woman.
You are not going
Leave me alone. I will disorganize you.
Disorganize me, what? You will disorganize me, but inside. We will go back inside. You disorganize me on bed.
Get on you.
Monage.
I want to go out and hustle.
Hustle. The ones who've been going to tell him hustle, did you bring anything back home? Can you feed your wife properly? You couldn't even satisfy her on bed. Or when did he mean? You are a useless. In fact, you are a hopeless man.
Okay. Allow this useless and hopeless man to go out and hustle.
You are not going anywhere. You will go back and perform your duties as a husband.
Upe.
Oh,
Upe. We have been doing it all night. How else do you want me to do it?
What did you do? You fainted on the second round. If you will go back there. In fact, you will leave this house after the 4th or 5th round. Yes.
Oh, you want to kill me?
Kill you, Guinea.
Woman, listen. If you don't want to leave this trouser, I will leave this trouser for you.
Omaka, I want to see your nakedness outside. Okay, Fifa, I want to see it outside. Come, let's go inside.
I go wound you. Leave me alone.
Wait, Papa. What did you just say now? That you wound my mother? Ha! Try it. Papa, try it now. If I will not use this plug and destroy this your head.
Try!
Try me.
Child. God, I asked for a child. You gave me pipiro.
Meaning?
What am I going to do with this dot that you gave me as a child? Chidera, I don't even have any more to say to you or do to you than to blow you away like a candle.
Yeah.
This is A and B conversation. Did anybody call you? So see yourself out of here. You don't have respect anymore.
Respect for who? When you are threatening to beat my mother. Papa, see, if you do anyhow now, you go collect.
Hey!
You look here?
Yes,
I'm
your daddy will collect.
Try me.
Yeah. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
I want to go and hustle.
Let's go. You go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
My king, you're harassing me sexually and I don't like it.
You know what? I want to know what this is all about. And I must have my answers now.
My king, you're not supposed to be in the kitchen.
Says who? I am not that type of king. I am the type that gets what I want. And if anything or person try to bring us under, I will immediately cut that off.
My king, the queen might come in at any minute. Please just go.
I don't care. I don't care if the queen walks in. I don't care about anything anymore. All that I care for now is you, Amara. Please understand that.
Okay, my king. I promise to tell you everything. I'm not here. I'll tell you in my room. Please just go.
It's alright. I will leave. But make sure you let me know when you're done here, ready to go to your room. Okay?
Yes.
Come on. Cheer up.
Somebody tell me what to do.
Smile. It's alright.
Yeah. I'm confused right now. Somebody tell me what to do. Yeah. Make you not leave me, make I rest. No be my fault, say I did like this. Can't go long minute up, we go. Leave me, make I rest.
Oh, how are you doing? Ah, that's good. Well, Nigeria is safe to an extent. Yeah. There is still kidnapping though, but not as much. Yes. Oh yes, my son. So, we are having you back this sister, right? Oh no, Stanley. Why are you talking like this? Eh? Why are you shifting it to October? October is still very far. Oh no, I am not happy at all. I am not happy about this. Yes. We thought you are coming back this Easter. Why are you shifting it? October is still very far. Oh no. October is still very far. We thought you are coming back this April. Why October? There is no problem. There is no problem. It's because of your father that made me to tell you that I want to see you. Yes. No problem, no problem. Don't worry. When you come back, I will tell you everything. Don't just bother yourself, son. I love you. Take care of yourself. Bye. Evelyn, now that it's obvious I can't send that girl out of this palace, what is the way forward now?
I suggest you get a new cook.
What? Evelyn, what are you talking about? I am telling you about the fire that is already burning in my house. And you are here telling me to bring another to add to it.
Angela, I am not talking about a female cook. Maybe you get male cook this time around. Huh?
You may be right though. So I will tell Amana that he is here to help her out, right?
It is not a must that he will know how to cook. His duty in this palace is to distract Amara from your husband. Period. That is the only thing we need.
See? Evelyn, you see? This is why I always talk about you. What can I do without you? Tell me.
Nothing. Nothing at all. What are friends for?
My dear, this call for a celebration. Oh.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
Serious one. I have not seen the king around since I came. What happened?
That one? I believe he should be in this house, but not in his room.
Then where is he? Kedebono. Help! Men are not trustworthy at all.
What did she say?
That my king, you don't have to worry. It's of no use.
Come on, Amara. You promised to tell me.
I'm sorry, my king. The queen... The queen thinks I use his charm.
What? Charm? On me?
My king, I swear, I've not seen it before. I don't know what charms look like. I've not even heard it before with my hands. I don't know how the queen came about that and what she's talking about. I promise you, I don't know anything about that.
Women, look at me. So she thinks that the feeling I have for you is as a result of charm? My dear, just look at me. Do I act like someone under the influence of charm?
No, my king. Oh, my king. You see what I'm telling you? Please stop seeing me. Please. You're putting me in enmity with the queen. You're putting me in a tight corner. Please, just stop.
No. I can't afford to lose you. I can't afford to lose this your natural endowment. I can't. You know what, my dear? I will handle this, okay? I will handle it.
That you have not been convinced about, or even summoned courage to tell me about your affair with her.
Well, I'm still lost here.
Has Amarachi taken your senses?
Please, woman, stop. Just stop. As you can see, this is early morning. Stop, please.
I know this is exactly what you're going to say. Yes, and it's going to be a very shameful thing if you are truly sleeping with that girl, old enough to be your daughter.
I'm off here. I'm off. This man can't lie alone. Come and meet me here.
Mama.
Hey!
Mama, do you think that this thing you're doing is the right thing?
Yes, so he is leaving this house. Your father is of no use to me. Okay, he said he's going out to bring money up, yeah? He said he's going out to hustle. If he comes back without that money, in fact, I will see the money. If not, he will not step his feet into this house. Okay, Anene?
Mama, the villagers will talk, or people will talk.
Who them talk now? I don't care. You shoot my born at home. Are they the ones living with a useless man that cannot provide for his family? Can't even satisfy his wife on bed? He's useless.
Mama, I'm not in support though. And you know this is Papa's house.
Which house? Nka Konwozo. I contributed 80% of the money used in building this house. So, this house is mine. Maggie, Manage. Join together.
Okay, Mama, leave her.
Chidera, one more word from you. Go in now, else to join your father. Hey! Nothing! Bed, zero. Money, zero. For what now? Who come and meet me? I'm not going anywhere. Rubbish. I'm a man. Fuck all.
What are you doing here?
It's you I should be asking. I was just going to my shop. I saw you here. What's going on?
I'm still waiting to see that girl. You know, I'm looking out for that girl at home.
Wait, do you mean you left your house and your business and come here to search of a girl I don't even know? And you don't even know?
And who said I don't know her? With her big boobs and her waist, she can be identified.
But you don't know where she came from or heading to. You are just here on a wide grove seat, hoping to be lucky.
Yes, Martins. I must see her, because if I don't, I will not be the same.
You have to be yourself. There are a lot of beautiful girls in town you can choose from. Wait, that one that is coming. Look at her. She is beautiful.
Hey, Martins. She is the one. That's the girl I'm looking for.
Oga we looking on why if I didn't that ye bukwego. Oga we looking on why if I didn't ye make it. Yeah. Then if you mellow away, my guku one. Then if you mellow away, if you go female away, my guku one. Then if you mellow away, yeah. Oga we looking on why if I do nanga that ye make it. Yeah. What up, in a bedjalo? In a bedjalo. Yeah, even can it, Medianga.
Good afternoon, sir.
Mbano, don't add sir to my title. I am not as old as you think I am. I am a young man still bouncing.
Funny.
Anyway, my name is Ofodile, and it will be my pleasure to know your beautiful name.
Amara.
Hey, Amara, what a lovely name, beautiful name. Do you know that Amara is the only Igbo name that is accepted in computer?
Really? Okay. I will be on my way now. Okay, I'm running.
I understand. I know it's your mother or your father that sent you on this errand to make me discover you. God will continue to bless whoever that sent you on this errand. If not, how will I be able to see a beautiful creature like you?
Okay, thank you, sir. You're too kind with words. Okay.
I know you break my heart every time you address me with sir. I am Ofodile. Ofodile.
Now, okay, Ofodile. Okay. It's nice meeting you, okay, but I have to go now. It's
Oga we looking on why if I didn't that ye bukwego. Oga we looking on why if I didn't ye make it. Yeah. Then if you mellow away, my guku one. Then if you mellow away, If you go female away, my cuckoo.
You know you are being unfair with that girl.
Which girl are you talking about? Your lover, right?
Come on, Angela. You know that what I have for her is fatherly love. You know it.
My king, he will just die instantly if you swear with what you just said now. So, you better choose your words wisely.
Angela, you and I know that I always wanted to have a daughter amongst our children. But God gave us just a child, which happens to be our only son. The moment that girl was brought into this palace, I took her as my own daughter. Especially when you told me that her father was late. Angela, why are you making life difficult for that little girl? Why?
That girl is the reason you no longer touch me at night. She is the reason we no longer discuss like husband and wife anymore. She is also the reason we no longer have romantic time. Yes.
Just listen to yourself, Angela. And you put the blame on her. Have you taken your time to sincerely and honestly check it out if you are not the problem or part of the problem? Eh? Have you?
That girl is the reason you have been misbehaving towards me all this while. Yes, I don't need anybody to tell me about it. But you know what? I am going to put a stop to it soon.
What do you mean?
I am hiring a new cook.
Meaning you want to sack her?
I wish that's an option. I am placing a notice board at the gate. Just watch me.
You know I don't support it. I don't support it! Ha! What kind of woman is this?
Someone in this house. What will this man ban? He's still staying under the same roof with me. How man, they possible? He's leaving this house. Nonsense man. Oh, Chidera, you went to call my friend from me up, yeah? Why did you call him more police?
And to look at my father's bags. She brought them out there for him to leave.
Mama, this is...
Hey, Badia, you're not the one living in this house with me. Badia, back.
Leave me your friend.
As a friend.
My father is not going anywhere. This is my father's house.
Whose father?
Enya, calm down. I understand the situation.
Hey! Ask him calm down because you're already one in my shoes. The man even naga began now. If I tell you what I'm going through in the house of Fodile, you will ask me why he is still in my house. You don't understand.
This is my father's house.
Whose father? I will resign your face with slap. Whose father? Your father contributed to building this house. He did not contribute a dime. Sheshe! Washa! What if you know now? Also, father. Whose father? The useless father you have. Don't try me, oh. I'm upon in this house, Chidera. Nonsense.
My friend, I understand that you're angry, but you just have to calm down.
Sometimes
you consider what people see outside.
Let them say! Let them say!
It's wrong. Why will you chase your husband out of the house?
I don't care. I don't care. In fact, as from today, he's no longer my husband.
Anyway.
I cannot share the same room with that stupid man, useless man. I cannot share the same bed space with him. As from today, I am single. I am not married to that man.
Father is not going anywhere. Yes, I know his attitude is bad, but there's something in me telling me that he would change.
Change what? Change in Aka or change in the grave? What change? In fact, for the last time, Chidera, if you're not comfortable with all this, Solunage, follow your father I don't care.
Auntie Didi, I did not bring you here for this discussion. I brought you here for action. Let's act.
Just calm down. Calm down. Let's Chidera,
come on, come and leave that bag.
calm down.
Didi, don't provoke me. Didi, what are you looking at? Don't provoke me. Forget about friendship.
Okay, I am.
Yes, I am here. Now put this bag. Now put this bag.
What is it? Now you store away. He's leaving. You should go home.
Go home how? You mean go home and bring all my belongings and stay here? That will be fine, I don't mind.
Are you well at all? What's the matter with you? Ross, here's palace, so. Here's palace, so. You can't be seen anywhere around here. Or you risk being arrested.
Maybe I'll have to go and rent a room around here, so I can be very close to that big thing. You saw that big girl I showed you today?
I did. And I must say she has it all.
Full option. So I must rent the house around.
What of your wife or your daughter?
Because will you stop asking me about my past? Those people are my past. That fine girl you saw today is my present and my future. And wherever she is where you will find me.
Me, I'm going back to my shop. Oh. I'm going back to my shop. Oh.
No problem. You have tried enough for me today. At least my coming out today is not in vain.
Abi, congratulations. I don't let go.
Isn't this our God a miracle working God? A job finally landed. An opportunity of being next to her. I mean, sleeping and waking up with her. Hey, overjoy go kill you.
A rat will die inside bag of rice. No overjoy kill him.
Make her die and not be rats. Make overjoy kill me.
Better comport yourself and prepare before you go in for that job. I don't tell you finish. I don't tell you finish.
Then, no, this is my job. Let's go. You should be thinking of how to write the application for me to get this job.
I don't tell you finish.
Even Kennedy, Medianga. What a brain in a bed. Then if you mellow away, my cuckoo one.
I want. Alpha. When, man? Yeah.
When what?
Well, we going inside, you know.
What are you talking about?
Say, when will you give me this body now? Your body. Yes.
You're very stupid. Yes. You are a very madman. In fact, something is wrong with your head. Can you imagine?
See, Amara, stop the fall from you. Don't they do all these things? You know, nah, nothing good will come out, from your relationship with the king. You know, the queen will not allow that to happen. You know that. Okay, let me tell you. Do you know, say, the queen don't look for another cook. That means your work here at that risk. So it's better accept you.
And according to you, you think I'm bothered about that?
Huh?
You think I care?
I don't understand you. So overconfidence don't they worry you now. You don't they chop confidence. According to me, as if say you are not bothered. See, Ami, the queen go mess you up. Oh. I know that woman, she go mess you up if you don't leave her husband for her. See, that is why they say, cut your coat according to your size. Two of us they for the same level. So it's better you come to me now. No, just they run things, you know now. At least we there for the same level.
Ambrose. So according to you, cut your clothes
according to your size. It's actually me cutting my own clothes to your size. Is that what you mean? I mean, you actually think that you and I are actually on the same level. Is that what you're talking about? Do you know what? I think you have started taking Oluebube. Yes. I think there is a knot that's actually loose that needs to be tight on your head. It's very, very
Look at this one. So for your mind now, you don't form loyalty lah. Because say you dey serve the queen and the king. See, you be ordinary commoner now, like me. So it's better come to me. You dey form. I mean, you dey form for. You dey form loyalty for me. Leave that thing.
Let me educate you a little bit. But let me start with the correction. It's not loyalty. It's called royalty. Royalty.
Chidera.
And second one.
Yes.
Do you know the difference between you and I? Is that you are actually staying here. Why me? I am staying in the main house. So there can never be any level between the both of us. Get that into your skull.
Leave that thing.
How dare you? How dare you?
Na joke na.
What joke are you talking about? The next time you do that again, you will be the one leaving this house. Do you hear me? Rubbish.
Person no go fit joke with you again. Anyway, I save the hand. I no go watch this hand. I carry this one to endure. No, this girl fine, oh.
Angela, you have no right to take such decision without my consent.
But I told you about it.
After you have taken a decision, you merely informed me of a decision you have taken. Listen to me. I am still the king and the head of this house.
Oh, really? Are you acting like one? Are you? Eh? Answer me!
Angela, I am not in support of getting another cook. The one we have in this house is okay for us. It's enough for us.
I am getting the cook for myself, not you. Are you okay now?
You have completely lost respect and regard for me. And I don't like it. I will lust out with you one of these days. You are making me look less of a man in my own house. You know what? I'll be speaking to your son about this.
Oh, you better do. I have been waiting to say him so that we will settle this once and for all. I still stand on my words. I am getting a new cook for myself. Period.
Okwama.
Gene.
Okwama, I'll wound you.
Eh?
Make way, let me enter my house.
Okay, you have a house. Enter now.
I will tell my kinsmen, oh.
Tell them no. Let them come. Come on, no how with this house. Have you forgotten? I built this house from the scratch after our marriage. You just go.
Who bought the zinc?
Popolo zinc again. I don't want. Popolo.
Okay. First thing tomorrow morning, I will call the carpenter to remove the roof of this house. If that is what you want.
Better. If you don't do it, it's like
Let me enter my house and sleep like other men. Don't make me regret why I married you.
I'm even regretting marrying you. You are the biggest mistake of my life.
Mama, let him enter his house. Now what is all this now?
Okay, forget. Eh?
Oh.
If I slap you, you wake up in the mortuary.
Oh, you want to kill that your only girl? Eh? That your only girl is telling you to allow her father to enter his house.
Which house? You will not enter. You will not enter this house.
I will not enter this house.
Shakam.
Okay. No problem. I will never enter this house again.
Naga, you will not enter. Where are you going to?
Why are you asking me? Why do you care? Eh? You told me not to enter this house. You said the house belongs to you. Okwama, take the house, eat it. I will never come back here again. Never.
Mama, you've seen what you've got. Mama, you want that?
Okay, for her.
Ofodile, what's going on? This one your face looks like this. Have you gotten the job already?
Gotten which job?
The one at the palace now.
I have not gotten any job yet. Oh, my wife threw me out. Martins, that woman has insulted and humiliated me just because I don't have money. Anyway, I left my bag in your house since I didn't see you before coming to your shop.
Oh, I'm sorry. I left my house very early in the morning. But how dare she? I mean, who does that?
She says she built the house.
And so? What sort of humiliation is that? I'm going to talk to her.
Forget it, Martins. Don't waste your time.
Ofodile, she's my sister. She will listen to me.
I say forget it. Let her be. Let her have the house. I'll be fine.
What plans do you have for now?
Martins, you know I don't mind staying at that palace gate every morning just to make sure I'll see that girl.
Are you sure you are well? Because don't do that. I have a room in my house where you can stay tonight while we sort out this matter.
Martins, you should be thinking of how we can put heads together. Maybe write an application and submit to the palace as a cook. You know?
Are you still interested in the cook work?
That is the only way I can see that girl by working in the palace. So...
Good day, my queen. Good day, my queen. Your Majesty.
What is it?
I want to discuss something with you.
About what?
About that cook.
What about her?
You know, say that girl no be the person where you dey think say she be. You know, say anytime where that girl dey come out here, where they send them message, she dey always come my unit, come change clothes before she go. She dey so.
Wait, you mean Amara changes clothes before leaving the palace?
Yes, Your Majesty. Anytime where you send that message, she dey always come my unit, come change clothes. So the clothes where she dey wear go the message, no be the clothes where she dey wear inside. So
she always come to your unit.
Exactly.
To change her clothes before going out.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Wait a minute. Are you sure you don't have something with that girl?
No, Your Majesty. I even wish say I get something with her. Cause you know say that girl fine well. I dey die for her. Since why I don't dey die for her.
Really shut up your mouth. Come back here. Come back here.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Wait. Are you sure of this thing that you just said now?
Yes, Your Majesty. I'm very, very sure.
It's okay. Now get out. Get out!
Michael.
Hey, get out! I just confirmed from the gate man now that your so-called girlfriend changes clothes in this palace. Yeah.
And what do you mean by that?
What I mean is that your so-called girlfriend always changes clothes whenever she's being sent for an errand. Which means she is into men. As in, so many men. My king, it will be a very shameful thing that a king of your caliber would die of HIV or any other sexual transmission.
Enough! Enough!
You better put a stop to whatever thing you have with that girl.
Now leave my room. Out! Nonsense. What sort of woman is this?
Where could it be? Where does he know? Oh no, ma. Who does he know? Hey, God. Are you sure I did the right thing? Eh? I never meant it that way. Oh. I didn't want him to leave. Hey. God. What sort of mistake is this? What? Guinea?
I'm hungry.
Hungry, Abwogide. That is the only thing you know how to do in this house. So, Nikki Mweli, if you hadn't put your mouth what I was discussing with your father, he would still be in this house.
Mama, you were the one chasing him. I was just trying to stop you.
Shut up. You this annoying thing.
Mama, I said I'm hungry. I will live with my daddy.
Hey. Okay, you are threatening me with leave, Abby. You are threatening me that you want to leave. Neuzo, go. If you see me come looking for you, follow your father.
Okay. I'm leaving now.
Yeah, okay, as well. Come back here, sister. Monkey. Go to the kitchen, there is food.
Hey! So, Mama, you're not a mother to a monkey. No.
Okay, now, come on.
Are you not the one that called yourself?
I want you to tell me the truth. And nothing but the truth.
My king, everything I said is the truth. I'm being honest.
But you hate changing to skimpy clothes anytime you are leaving this palace.
I'm sorry, my king. It's because I don't like putting on this uniform outside the palace.
Why? Are you not proud of your job?
No, Your Highness. Of course I am proud of my job. I'm just doing it for security reasons. I don't want anybody to know who I am and where I am coming from. I might not be royalty, but I'm living in the royal home. So I might be an easy target for any potential enemy.
You know you took your mother's intelligence. She's the nicest, skillful, hard-working person I've ever met. Well, I got your point, and I like the way you explained things to me. But the question remains, why skimpy clothes?
But my king, they are not skimpy. I can actually show you the clothes. They are not. It's just that the clothes fit perfectly on my body, and that is how my body is.
Maybe it's because of your natural endowment, I guess. It's okay. That's no problem. I think I would like to see those clothes. It's okay. I think you wear these clothes. They look good on you. You start wearing them in the palace, okay?
No, Your Highness, I will do no such thing. I mean, my king, please don't put me in a harmful situation. I don't want to have any problem with the queen or with the queen or anybody.
Is it because of our closeness you forgot I am the king of this kingdom? That my words are authority. Eh? Now put on what I asked you to put.
Yes.
You think I don't know what you did, eh? You dirty, smelling, foolish man.
See, I go take anything for this palace. You see insult. Me, I no go take insult from you. I dey tell you, no come here, come insult me. Oh.
Really? Because the reason I am here is to come and give you that same insult. You fool. So you think reporting me to the queen will make her to sack me? Okay? You think if you go and run your mouth to the queen, it will make her to sack me? Let me bust your bubble. You are the one that is going to be sacked. I will cause your sack in this house. Yes, I will do that. But let me keep that one aside. Your punishment will be, from now on, when you eat, when you chop finish, or before you even chop, you have to come to the kitchen and get your food. And when you don't chop the food wey me cook, you still have to return the plate back to the kitchen. You don't hear them, abi? Shebi the sink. You don't get them, abi? Because my eyes are now fixed on you. You see this, my eyes is very big. So my eyes are now on you. Any small thing that you do, you will be sacked. And you know what I can do when it comes to the king. So I recommend you sit up. Buckle up. If you sleep on duty, you're home. If you do any waka waka movements when me no understand, I'll report you to the king. And you know what that means. So I would suggest you begin now to buckle up. Buckle up, you need more energy. Because you'll be needing that strength. You see my eyes? They are fixed on you.
My own quack fix on you. No go do anything. Now we dey threaten. Now me will come dey threaten. Now you give me work. Now you give me work. So I dey work here because of see, I be king. I be king come for my own place. No go come here come dey threaten me. No be you give me work. Oh. Respect yourself. Oh.
Amara, what is it now?
I need to leave the palace. Yes, I need to leave. I'm tired.
And why would you do that?
Because it's the right thing to do. I mean, the queen is already seeing me as an enemy. I mean, she's seeing me as someone that wants to take her husband away from her.
Are you going for her husband or the husband coming for you?
Doesn't matter. I mean, the king is insisting. He's disturbing me and I've told him that I'm not interested. But he's not the type to give up.
My friend, I don't see this as any of your faults. The queen is bitter and jealous. She couldn't keep her man. She's only looking for a way to vent her frustration on you.
The truth is that I'm just tired. Honestly.
You better not be. Once the king is the one coming for you, then utilize that as your own advantage.
My advantage? How?
Make him marry you.
What? Why would you say things like that?
You just heard me. Make him marry you.
Rita, I thought you were my friend. Yes. I should make an old man, in fact a man who is old enough to be my father, to marry me. Why would I do that? I mean, why would you say something like that? Wait. You want me to marry an old man? I should make an old man who is old enough to be my father. I should make him to marry me because he's a king. So let me ask you, so what happened to all these fine, handsome, beautiful, single guys out there? What happened to them? I should not come and settle for an old man because he's a king. I can see you don't have anything to tell me today. Or will I even say maybe you are tired? So I'm leaving.
Amara, my friend, it's for your own good. Please think of what I told you. Don't stress it. It's for your own good. You just need to take cold water and take a chill. Amara, you're walking out on me. Okay, you'll still come back here.
So this man didn't return home last night. I thought he would sneak in when he's sure we've gone to bed. This man has indeed left me. God, what have I done to myself? This can't be happening. I shouldn't have chased him out. Where do I go now and look for him? What kind of mistake is this? But Ofodile is bad though. So you have the mind to abandon us and never showed up. I just pray all is well with him wherever he is. I pray.
My friend, here is the list of food I can fix for you if you request for it.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. This is nice. You are indeed a cook. I think I will need your kind of person in this palace.
Thank you, my friend.
You know what? You can stay here with us in the palace.
Hey, that is fantastic. I would love to stay here in the palace. So when do I start?
Wow. You can start tomorrow.
My queen, what if I start today? Because I would like to get used to things, environment and so many other things here in the palace.
Wow, that would be nice. But what about your things? Won't you go and get them?
Everything I need is in this bag. These 2 bags. That's my personal belongings.
It's like you're already prepared.
Yes.
It's okay. But I thought you said you're married.
Yes, no, not really. But a certain lady is living in my house with me, claiming to be my wife, but I am not married to her yet.
It's okay. You can start the job immediately.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. So,
Don't worry. I will get one of the maids to come and take your things inside, okay?
thank you,
Martins!
Yeah. What is it?
Good morning.
What do you want?
Where is he?
Where is who?
My husband, of course. Where is he?
Stop shouting at me. Are you mad? If you must talk to me in a calm voice.
Oh, sorry. Biko Martins, please, Oga Martins, I am sorry. Oh, where is my husband?
I've told you I don't know where he is. Please stop disturbing me. I have something doing.
Okay. I want to believe you don't know where he is. But if I found out that you know where he is, I'll come back for you. Amen. And if I come back, it will be too hot for you.
It's alright. When you come back, we are here.
Oh, okay. You're here for your food. Yes. Hold it up.
Okay, thank you.
What you've carried your food? Who are you and what are you looking for?
I'm looking for...
Excuse me.
Huh?
What are you doing here?
Don't you remember me? Remember me now, don't you?
I do, but that doesn't answer my question. What are you doing here?
My name is Ofodile. I'm the new cook.
You're what?
I said I'm the new cook. The new cook.
My queen, that man does not know how to do anything. He does not know how to do anything at all, nothing. And you know this. How? Yes, my queen, Enough! Enough! See, let me tell you something. I don't want to hear whatever rubbish you have to say. I wasn't expecting you to like him because it's obvious you know that he is here to distract you from my husband. Yes. Please stay away from him. But ma, that man introduced himself as a chef. And I was expecting him to tell me, don't expect anything. Do you hear me? Don't expect anything from him. All I want you to do is to do the job that I paid you for. Concentrate on the job that I am paying you for. Do you hear me? Now listen to me. Let this be the first and the last you will complain to me, whoever I will employ in this house. Do you hear me? Your opinion is not needed in this house. Okay, now leave my presence.
Chidera, you can't greet up, yeah? By the way, why are you crying?
Mama, I want my father back. Go and call my father back.
I should call your father back, as in, you care so much for your father, yeah? Alright.
Mama, I know my father might be anything terrible. But you see my father. Call him back for me, please. Oh no, he might be in danger.
Your useless father is not in any danger. Your useless and senseless father chose to hide in a woman's house instead of coming back home to face his responsibilities. On Amalolo also.
I know it's the two of us that caused this thing. We made this house uncomfortable for him, and you chased him out of this house. Go and call him, go and call him back, Mama. Provide him for me, oh.
Adiego, if your so-called father cares so much for you, he wouldn't have left this house in the first place. Omada Pog, Nona, Baba.
Mama, provide my father for me, oh. Call my father back, oh.
Oga, what exactly are you doing in this palace?
You know what? I must say I am surprised to discover that you are not even royalty. You're just an ordinary maiden in this palace.
Look, I can recommend your sack letter immediately. So watch your mouth.
My dear, I know you don't have such powers, but that's okay. The most important thing is that you are so beautiful and irresistible.
It's obvious you don't know how to do anything at all. So my question is, what are you doing here?
Well, since you want to know, I am here on a mission.
What mission?
You will soon find out, my love.
Touch me. What? Go. I want to cook for the king.
No, but this is where I belong. This is my domain. I work here, I'm a cook.
You don't belong anywhere. Hush, 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 hush.
We can work together, don't worry. I'll watch you while you cook.
No, you can't watch me. Go to the corridor.
Okay, let me stay here. Well,
even keneje medianga what a brenene bejalo nani vi melongwei makuku nwani
hey.
My food. I want to ask you something. Excuse me, I want to ask
The name is Ofodile, not Oga.
Yeah. Oh, ordinary cook now, don't they form chief? Yeah, I want to ask you this question. Your kinsmen they away.
My kinsmen, they are aware of what?
Say, as old as you dey, say you dey here, they disgrace yourself. They disgrace even your ancestors.
Excuse me? Is that an insult or what?
Call it whatever you want to, but you are not supposed to be here. Is that an insult?
How is it your business what I decide to do with my life? How? Are you mad?
Na advice I dey give you.
Mind your business henceforth. Okay?
We are workers here. Not say we dey for the same level, and as a close friend and co-worker, I just dey give you advice. Now, wow. How this kind old man for his age go dey for this kind palace dey serve as a cook, and madam even accept am? Wonder shall never end. I never see this kind thing in my life. Old man dey cook food for his age with white beer. Oh my see. Ah, na good food though. This man, that's why I sabi cook oh. See oh. Wow.
He said he is here on a mission.
On a mission? What mission?
I don't know. My king, that man should not be employed in this palace. Yes. I mean, it's obvious he does not know how to do anything.
Well, my dear, this is the handwriting of my wife. And I'm sure she knows very well that that man isn't able to do anything here. And she went ahead and employed him. Just to distract me from you.
Distract you from me? But my king, I told the queen that there is nothing going on between you and I. I told her.
Really? Are you sure that nothing is going on between us? You've been avoiding me lately, and you know it's not good for my health.
My king, you know I've been under pressure by the queen, and she has her eyes fixed on me. I don't want to have any issues with her. I mean, I don't want you to keep dragging these things with me. Stop pushing it, please.
Then marry me.
Yeah. What up? In a bedjalo. In a bedjalo. In a bedjalo. Yeah. Even Kennedy, Medianga. What up? In a bedjalo. Then if you mellow way, my cuckoo wani. One thing must kill a man. I don't see what's in I love her. Ooh, Nadia go die. If I no get them, I no go rest. Yeah. Oga will look and why if I didn't get a book.
Now, wow. But if the king is her man, then definitely it is difficult and rather impossible getting her.
Why not?
Are you asking me how much do you even have? Even the king she's dating is your boss.
Martins, remember, I went there for her, not to work. I went there for the girl.
Hopefully, remove your eyes from the girl and focus on what is more important. The king will pay you well.
Never. Martins, that girl likes me already. I can say it. And I am getting this close to making her my woman. You're telling me to leave her?
Let me ask you. Assuming you finally got a woman, do you have a house? Do you?
Then I will rent.
Affordably, with which money? I advise you to remove your eyes from that girl. Otherwise, she will finally land you into trouble. Definitely.
Martins, I have heard you. But my soul will never rest until I chop that girl. I will definitely chop that girl.
Your wife was here.
I hope you didn't tell her where I am.
I didn't tell her. But she's seriously looking for you. I advise you stop coming here in case she has reported to the police.
What exactly is your mission here? My king, I don't understand. I believe I sounded clear. So answer me. What are you doing here? I am here as the palace cook. And how does this sound to you? You must be thinking I'm a fool, right? No, my king. I will never think of such. There's no way an old man like you will be here just in the name of palace cook. I really demand answers to my question. My king, is a long story. I have been everywhere in search of a job to feed myself and my aged mother. That is what brought me here. Now listen to me. I don't need you here. You are not needed in this palace. So, go in there, pack whatever that belongs to you, and leave this palace.
He goes nowhere. Yes.
You are challenging my orders.
Oh no, my king. But you know, he is my personal cook. Besides, he has not done anything wrong to me that will make him to leave. So, my king, I plead, you allow him to stay for me. Please.
Thank you, my queen. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Defending that man surely gives credence to the fact that she is having an affair with him. She's obviously cheating on me and had to bring her man closer in order not to rouse suspicion. If she goes out to seek him instead. Angela, you accuse me of something you're guilty of. That man will never get what he seeks in this palace. I won't let that happen. Not under my watch. Never.
What have I done to myself? If anything has happened to my husband, I am guilty. Why did I make this mistake of sending him out? No. If Ofodile doesn't return here by tomorrow, I will have to alert his kinsmen and the police. Why can't he just return and stay here with me? I don't even need the sex again. I just want him back to this bed with me as my husband. I can't be sleeping here alone. I thought I'm ready for that kind of life. I never knew I am not ready. I am not. God, help me.
One thing must kill a man. I don't see what's in I love her. Nadia go die. If I no get them, I no go rest. Yeah. Oga we look no wire. If I didn't get a book. Oga we look no wire. If I didn't you make I'm confused right now. Somebody tell me what to do. Whoa.
I don't want to hear whatever rubbish you have to say. I wasn't expecting you to like him because it's obvious you know that he is here to distract you from my husband. Yes. Please stay away from him.
And I'm sure she knows very well that that man isn't able to do anything to you. She went ahead and employed him just to distract me from you.
What a
I thought you said we must be at Igwe Nachetam's Ofala festival today. So why the sudden change of mind?
Listen to me. I don't want to answer those nonsense questions.
My king, what is it? That I ask a simple question. Is my presence here upsetting you?
Why will I be happy when you're here insulting me daily in my palace? Why? Just tell me one reason.
How have I insulted you, my king?
I believe you have answer to that question. You're pushing me. You better stop before I do the unthinkable.
What other unthinkable have you not done? By degrading your status, sleeping with our cook. A commoner for that matter.
You won't say what you don't know. Woman, be careful.
See, let me tell you something. There is nothing you will do again that will surprise me. Yes, I am blaming myself for bringing that girl into this palace. Yes, but you know what? I am going to put her where she belongs. Sure.
Why you do that? I will put your newly found love where he belongs.
And what are you talking about?
Oh, you think I don't know? You think I don't know that you're having an affair with that old fool you brought in here as a cook? You think I don't know? Come on, Angela. I don't know that you will descend to this level. I thought you would have something to do with someone with class. Not that old, stinking, poverty-looking man.
Can you listen to yourself? My king, can you listen to yourself? Our people say, what you say is what you know of. My king, I want you to remove the thought of that man being my lover. Do you hear me? But see him as someone who is here to control your frequent visit to that girl's room, even when you do it at my back.
But Your Highness, you know the tradition does not allow the king to divorce his wife, but he can take as many wives he wants.
No. As a man seated on the stool of power of this kingdom, can't I change those ancient traditions?
My king, but you know, tradition is what makes and identifies a people.
Yes, I know. But no, I am frustrated. I don't want to be seeing this woman here. I wish there's another way to get rid of her from this palace, since she annoys me daily.
I understand how men behave, my king. Women are the same everywhere. You just have to accommodate and tolerate her. I still believe getting a second wife is what you need now, my king.
Well, I'm working towards that. Just want to give the little girl time to think about my proposals. And once she agrees, I'm ready to get married to her immediately. I just pray God for serene mind to continue living with that woman called Angela, because she insulted and degraded my as a king.
And where are you going with those things?
I'm going to look for Papa.
Eh? So because you are going in search of your father, that's why you're going with all your belongings. Bo?
Yes. I will stay there with him because I will not come back to this place again.
Why?
Because you are wicked. You chased him out of this house and you reminded him that this house belongs to you. That's very wicked and unreasonable of you.
Yeah, Chidera, go in now before I disfigure you. Go in with that thing now.
I'm not going anywhere, Mama. I want to go and look for my father.
You are still here. I'm talking, you are talking. I said go inside, go back with that thing now. Banino.
It's because you are around though.
Come on, go inside.
Madam, I don't know why you are kneeling down. You are embarrassing me and yourself. Please get up.
I believe you know where my husband is. Please take me to him. Oh, because I miss him so much.
You must first get up. Get up first. Yeah? Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Thank you.
Listen. Like I told you before, your husband came here with his bag and told me that you chased him out of the house.
I made a mistake by doing that, and I regret my actions.
I wasn't happy that his own wife embarrassed him, but then he left and never came back till now.
Hey, I'll kill myself if I don't see him more. I am nothing without him. What Ulumba if I don't see Opodilem? Oga Martins, please. I believe you know where he is. And my daughter is threatening to leave the house if the father doesn't come back. Biko, Martins, find my husband. Biko.
Don't worry, eh? Calm down, eh? I'll see what I can do about that. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
So tell me, dear, what do you have going on with the king? It's just a harmless question, I guess.
Look, Mr. Man, desist from having any conversation with me, okay? After all, we do not have anything in common.
I know, but I want to be your friend.
I am not interested in your friendship, okay?
Amara, listen, you are the reason I am here. Eh? I was so attracted to you the very first time I set my eyes on you on that road. And I promised myself that I must be wherever you are, since you are the only thing that makes me happy.
Look, Mr. Man, I will never have anything to do with you. Never!
But you rather have something to do with the king.
I do not have anything to do with the king either.
Oluebube, you think I don't know?
Why am I even having this conversation with you? Please, hurry up with the vegetable. I need to cook. Hurry!
Nene female away, makuku mwani. Unafugu kumwani.
Chidera! Hey! Chidera! 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 Where has this girl gone to? Chidera! Chimo! I'm going to back again. Chidera! Chidera! Come on, laptop. I hope she has not left me. Chidera! Hey! Chidera! Hey! Look at this guy guys now. Chidera! Chidera! Chidera!
Queen, you sent for me.
Oh, yes. I hope you know I am so much aware that you don't know anything concerning cooking. Actually, you are what I call a scam.
No, my queen, I am not a scam.
Oh, will you shut up? Will you shut up your mouth? I don't want to get further provoked with your lies.
I'm sorry, my queen. I have searched for job everywhere. Couldn't find any. Please, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's all good. I really don't need a cook, but I need you.
My queen, I don't understand.
Do whatever you can to stop my husband, the king, from seeing that cook of a girl.
My queen, so the king is also onto big things. Ototo.
You have heard what I just said now. And that is the only way you can keep your job in this palace.
Okay, my queen. Consider it done. I'll do just that.
You cannot leave.
Nene female away, makuku mwani. Unafugu kumwani. One thing must kill a man. I don't see what's in I love her. Nadia go die. If I no get them, I no go rest. Yeah.
What are you doing in my room? I thought I've warned you not to enter my room again.
I'm sorry, I was sent by the queen.
Sent by the queen to do what?
To collect the list of food items we bought from the market from you.
Meaning what?
Meaning I am the one that will go and buy the food items this time around.
That is impossible. Look, if you don't have anything reasonable to say to me, just get out of my room. Get out now.
Do you know you really look more beautiful when you get angry? I swear.
Oga, leave my room now.
God bless the day I set my eyes on you. You can go and confirm from the queen what I just said to you. She's waiting.
If I go to the queen and I find out that you lied to me, I will not find it funny. I will not.
You know I can't lie in a situation like this when I know the implications.
But my queen, we do not know his bargaining capacity. I mean, you know how things are very high in the market right now. We don't even know his taste and his performance in buying right things that we need in this palace. We don't even know if you know how
Enough! And stop making noise into my ears. Ofodile here is a cook, just like you in this place. Which means he gets to know everything concerning what is happening in this palace. If you have problem with that, you must be out of your mind. Yes!
Ma, no problem, but can I at least follow him to the market? At least lead him to show him the nice things and the good quality things to buy in the market so that he fits in the palace. That's what I'm trying to say.
You go nowhere with him. Allow him to go alone. If you are too free, you can go in there, look for any other thing and start doing. And stop wasting your time here. And let this be the first and last thing we question my orders in this palace. Do you hear me? Now leave. I said leave! And you. I didn't say you should go to the market and waste all the day. And make sure you get good quality things. Else, I will deduct the money from your salary. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my queen. Sorry.
You can leave now.
Sorry, my queen.
Angama, since my daughter is missing.
Hey, I don't understand. Missing as in how?
I came back now and I found out she left the house with her bag.
Oh God. Are you sure it's not kidnapping?
It's not kidnapping. She told me this morning that she was going in search of her father and I want her not to leave the house. She doesn't listen to me.
Oh, what does she know?
I told you to I don't know. She doesn't know anywhere. She doesn't even know where her father went to. I fear for her safety. Don't
worry. Eh? We'll see what we can do about it. I'll try and see we'll look for her. Okay?
I know you know where my husband is. Tell him that the daughter has left home. Come on, Oganata. I don't know. If she's found out that the father is back home, she may come back. Because I don't know. I have no what else because I can't be alone now.
I've already told you. Don't worry. I'll see what I can do about that. Okay?
Okay. Hi, Chimbo.
look at the nonsense you went and brought to the market. Instead of you to tell the queen that you do not know how to do anything, no. You will rather keep quiet and make me sound stupid before her for you. Abi? I mean, Nikodi, just... What is this? Just see the nonsense vegetable. Keep calling happen. What is this? Oh, who asked you to buy this one? Eh? Good. Just tomatoes. Tomatoes, Just pepper. How much? How much pepper is this? What can this pepper do to? Just see. Just see the nonsense. You know what? I'll have to report you to the queen. I'll have to do that.
My dear, you know she's not going to listen to you. So don't waste your time. There is sadly nothing you can do to make the queen remove me from here. So come back, let's work as a team.
One thing must kill a man. I don't see what's in I love her. Nadia go die. If I no get them, I no go rest. Yeah. Oga will look at no wire. If I didn't get a book. Oga will look at no wire. If I didn't you make I'm confused right now. Somebody tell me what to do. Whoa. Okay, if you